I'm Arun Sai Gaurishetty and I'm father of Adit Vishwanath. Actually, it all started in the lockdown when it was like 2 months we have a complete lockdown. We have nothing much to do. So we thought we will focus and improvise our kid because he's age of 1 and we have the option or we have the enough time to explore him. So it all started with that. Actually, we never thought we would apply for awards or certificates, something like that. It was more of a natural thing.
Okay, so how did you find out that he's holding this?
Yeah, actually, on a regular day-to-day basis, we teach him like alphabets, objects, logos, and flags. So one day when we were watching TV, so our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, was giving a speech. So in the background, there was an Indian flag. So he started saluting it. So we thought he never knew who our Prime Minister was. Of course, he was really young. So then my wife recognized that it was not actually Mr. Modi, it was the flag behind it, for which he was actually saluting. So there we started, to recognize he could actually memorize it, so fast, and at so young age, it's easy for him to memorize and remember things. So that's how it actually started.
Okay, so
Yeah, I think my wife and my mom, the kid's mom and grandmom, both of them played actually really important role in teaching things, then showing him the objects. There's a certain way where the kids learn actually. It's not like you sit and make them read. It was more of a natural thing. And it was actually organic how we kind of learned it.
So how?
Difficult. At the age of 19 months, I guess, yeah, it was like 19 months where he actually had his first world achievement. World Book of Records he was enrolled. At such a young age, he is not able to speak the words on a whole, but he's very good with recognizing, memorizing, and showing whenever we ask any word or something, he will be able to show easily, with an ease. Yeah.
And alphabets and
That he's able to recognize alphabets, pictorial objects, logos, flags, car logos, and many more, like fruits, vegetables, animals, and so on.
Hi, I'm Snehita, mom of Adit Vishwanath Gaurishetty. First of all, we weren't actually aware that he has got so much talent. From day-to-day activities, we recognized there is some smartness in him, and slowly we started building up that. We haven't given him any special training or like that. Just like another mom who is curious about her child to be better in the society, me and my in-law, we were giving him lot of opportunities to explore so many things. Like we used to show him some alphabets and animals or birds or some shadows and all that, and he's very good in recollecting all that. Whenever we ask him, even if I tell him once or twice, he can remember it forever. Whenever I ask him, he can like tell what I have asked him. And apart from all that, I find him little different from other kids of his age. He is capable of identifying the vehicles from the sounds of the vehicles, and whenever I ask him to play some music from a music book, immediately he can play that particular rhyme. And in fact, from the shadows of the vehicles or animals, he can call out the animals or the names of the vehicles. Now that he can speak small words and all that, he is able to in fact tell the names of the flags or sometimes names of the car logos. Few words, not everything. Whichever he cannot tell, he can just identify them and show them. Whichever words he can speak, he's telling out easily.
So how do you feel that your child at this age?
So it's purely because of God's grace, and we are so happy that our son has achieved so much at an young age. But still, we still feel there is so much to learn, so much to explore, and everything. With the parents' support and a good family he's with, so he can very much succeed in his life.
How are you going to take this forward? What are the future plans for your son?
See, as of now, we haven't planned anything. We just leave him, let him explore. Now that we, maybe because of his family genes and all that, he has got a very good memory power. We want to use it in a positive way, and so that it will be helpful for the society. And not just in the memory, we want him to explore every aspect of the lives, and we want to give him more opportunities to learn new things and all that. Thank you. At the age of 19 months, he was fortunate to have bagged 4 national awards and 1 international award. So we started with just within the state, like Telugu Book of Records, and fortunately the people who have seen his profile, they were really amazed about his performance, and immediately he was recognized by them. Then later on we moved to a national level where he was even recognized at that stage, and then we moved to an international World Book of Records where we have applied him, and due to the lockdown we have received just the digital certification. Later on, once things get settled, maybe we'll have to go directly and get the certificate. And we have even received a personal appreciations from Sri Virendra Sharma ji, Mr. Member of Parliament from London, and also the President of World Book of Records London. So it was really happy to have our son being honored by such great personalities, and we wish for a brighter future for him. Thank you.